If you want to download the Roblox game for free on Windows PC, first click this search bar and just type Microsoft Store. Then open this. Then click this profile. Now here sign in to your Microsoft account. It may be Outlook, Hotmail, Skype account or Xbox account. You just need any Microsoft account. In case if it doesn't have any Microsoft account, just create a free account here. Because it's completely free, I'm also using the free account. So after that, click this search and just type Roblox and search. Then here you can see Roblox. It's completely free. Just open that. Here you can see the rating 4.6 with 47k viewers. Just click install. So now you can see it starts downloading. Its size was like 184 megabytes. So now the app was installed. Just click play and you can do the remaining steps. I just minimize this and click this search again and just type Roblox. So here you can see the app. Just click this pin to start and pin to taskbar. Then the app will be pinned like this. So like this it will be pinned. And if you want to add this app shortcut to desktop, click this search and just type run, RUN run. Then it will open up like this. Here type shell : apps folder and OK. Then here find the Roblox app. So here it is. Right click here, create shortcut. Yes. So that's it. The shortcut was added. So if you open this, it will open up the app. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about this topic, watch these videos.